So guys, right here, I have the Deco X50 model. This is the 2-pack variation. I've made a video recently, probably around 6 months ago, on Deco or previous old model. This is the Deco S7. So right now kasi mag-upgrade kami to a newer model na mas mabilis. This boasts a new Wi-Fi 6 system. This will just be a quick unboxing. So while I open the package, let's try to go through some of the specifications. As you can see here sa packaging, nakasulat siya AX3000. I think that is referring to the total speed. 3000 Mbps ang lalabas. So wireless is 574 Mbps on 2.4 Hz plus 2,402 Mbps on 5,000 Hz. As for the coverage naman, this one has better coverage up to 4,500 square feet, ideal for 3 to 4 bedroom houses. Personally, I won't be able to test this kasi malit lang bahay namin dito. If you watch my previous video on the Deco S7, the setup is the same, literally the same. So Deco units work together to form a unified network with a single network name. Ito try natin dito dati. Natin mamaya i-combine natin siya dito sa Deco S7 natin. Pero papakita ko yung pinaka-package niya sa 2-pack. Ayan, ayun dito yung mga specs niya. It's lahat, majority is almost written sa package na yun. Since may existing Deco na kami, pero ang gagawin namin dito is this one would be gagawin namin tong main router kasi kapag si Deco S7 pa rin ang ginawa naming main router, babagal yung internet namin. So, kailangan ito yung main router natin. So, this one is the new one. So, since I got the 2-pack, dalawa siya. Yan. 3 gigabyte ports per Deco unit. Let me show you the comparison comparing side by side. This is Deco S7 and Deco X50. So this is inside the box. Sa 2-pack natin is yung, of course, yung power cable niya. This is dalawa na. Tapos we have RJ45 na Ethernet cable. Ayun, ito yung dalawang chargers niya. Tapos we have the quick installation kit. Then we have the RJ45 na cable. Mention ko lang yung comparison ng wireless sa wired natin. Papakita ko lang yung pinaka-Deco app natin. So, if you watched my videos, yung previous video natin, you know that you need to download the app and register your unit. Maggagawa ka ng account and mag-register ka ng unit. So, you'll have a good overview on ano yung nangyayari na setup kasi kung medyo marami ka ng units, magkakagulo-gulo na. So, in this case, kita kasi sa, if this is clear enough, kita sa phone app ko ngayon is kung ano yung mga existing decos na ginagamit natin, kung naka-wired ba siya, kung ano yung hindi naka-wire, and kung ano yung main na router natin. So, kapag naka-wireless tayo, mas mabagal yung speed, okay? Kapag wired ka, diretso ka sa main router, you can do that. Isa-set up mo lang yung mga wire around the house just to connect to the main router. Mas mabilis yung network natin. So, you have to remember and you have to keep that in mind. So, let's try to power up this Deco X50. So, there's this LED light na nag-blink up na right now. So, naka-power on na siya. Ready for setup na si Deco X50 natin. So, if you actually check the instructions manual, yung mga indicators below when it's pulsing and if it's steady, may specific meaning yan. So, you guys just check the manual for that. In my case right now, with the pulse blue, it means that the Deco is ready for setup. So we have the app already open and in place. So, pwede natin siyang i-set up. Kapag mag-add tayo ng network, since I will just add this, since may existing deco units na ako, I will just go through with add a deco unit. But if you just bought this and you don't have any existing, you have to go through with create a network. So I think in my previous video, I was able to show this step by step. So I will make sure to include the video link in the description down below if you want to go through with that. But in this, my personal case right now, let us just push through with add a deco unit. So find a suitable spot. So these are just some of the reminders that so this one must be away from large electrical appliances to minimize interference. Plug in deco and wait until the deco LED pulses blue, and blue naman siya. So taga. So if I remembered correctly, last time you have to click the specific model, but this time around, the app itself will find the model for you. So it found the X50 already. So let's add this device. So we want to put this in the bedroom. So in this video purpose, I just want to, we're actually gagawin namin tong main router. Pero for the purpose of this video kasi, since ipapakita lang natin, unboxing video lang siya, ipapakita lang natin paano natin siya set up, ginawa ko lang siya, i-add unit ko lang muna siya. Pero bukas, papalitan kasi namin siya as the main router. So, ganun lang kasi siya kabilis. So, the deco has been added. So, done. Pero as you can see, the icons very clear. Kung bale, ito yung bagong unit natin, no, si X50. Tapos ito, iba naman yung itsura niya. S7 siya. Okay, so guys, for the last leg of our video, we will be conducting a speed test. So right now, this phone is connected to this Deco X50. So our speed might be slower than usual kasi the main router right now is using the older generation S7. But just for the purpose of this video, we'll just do a quick speed test on this Deco X70. So the speed can be faster if this is the main router. So let me show you. The download speed is around 242. Then upload speed around 244. So there you guys have it. This will be our initial unboxing for the newer model of Deco X50. If you guys have any questions, make sure to post them in the comments and I will try my best to respond to them.